Welcome to Speedy K's RV, Custom Coach, Fifth Wheel, Travel Trailer, Motorhome Services page. As you see here, Speedy K's is a professionally certified and trained on-site high-end detailing company providing you the professional detailing and expert service you deserve. So as you see through our page, we not only offer just regular wash packages, we also offer complete exterior sealants, treatment packages, roof packages, scratch repair, complete interior packages, or custom built packages for your unit. So whatever you may be looking for, just let Speedy K's know, and we'd be more than happy to provide you that service or even professional advice. You may also schedule an appointment here on our website underneath our schedule appointment form. Now, if you would like us to contact you directly, you can fill out the contact us form as well. Put in your year, make, model, and what questions you may be looking for on your unit, and someone will call you back within 24 to 48 hours of your submission received online. Now, you may also call your local Speedy K's directly via phone for a faster response. And if you don't get through to them via phone, please do leave them a voice message. Someone will call you back within the hour or the next business day, depending upon the time you called.